How to fix session expired on Messenger. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes Messenger's server may also be down, so wait for some time and then try again. Now in another step, make sure that Messenger app is updated. For that, open Google Play Store or App Store. I'm gonna launch Google Play Store. From here, let's search for Messenger. Once you come here, tap on the application. Now over here, if you see the option of update instead of open, tap on it so that the Messenger app is updated to its latest version, which in turn would fix all the app errors and bug issues. You can also tap on uninstall and then reinstall Messenger app again. Now on the next step, open Settings. Once you come here, scroll down below and tap on Apps. You can directly search for Messenger. Tap on it. From here, scroll down below and tap on Storage. Now at the bottom right corner, go ahead and tap on Clear Cache. So follow these easy steps in order to fix your issue. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.